Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Thank you for hitting play. By the way, before I get started, if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button, consider subscribing. But we got a few people coming over here in just a little bit. We are gonna head out, breaking the C7 out of the garage. Gonna take that out today. Tim's got his new Z06. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna do some driving. Got a few different guys coming over. We're gonna head out to Weatherford. We're gonna go grab some lunch, but check it out. I even got the GoPros out. Gonna go ahead and take those puppies out. Gonna do some driving. Gonna go on some back roads. And anyway, just gonna do a little video of us out driving. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Think, T?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What's up? How you doing, man? Good to see you, bud.
Hey, the star of the show just pulled up.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, man.
I love this color.
Yeah, I know. Did you cry? Nah. You didn't cry? Nah.
He didn't cry, but he was excited.
Yeah. Excited. That's what he's going to cry when the C6 goes away. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I love the picture. I seen it in the garage next to each other.
Morning. Got T here, Mike's here, Andrew's coming in here in a minute. Woo, and there's one of my favorite vets. Oh my goodness, you guys know how much I love this one. I love those white wheels. So beautiful. So there's Andrew. He's facing the wrong direction. We're gonna go out the other way. But this is his carbon flash 70th. This thing is nuts. You guys have seen, I did a video with it, but he has brand new Corsa exhaust, high flow cats. This thing is crazy. What's going on, man? I wish you hadn't already I wish you did not already have the carbon fiber mirror caps, because I have some I'm trying to do a video with.
Yeah, I did it all right away.
But I love this. And they are the new carbon fiber tips, because his car is carbon fibered out, man. Check that out. And of course, look at the whole rear fascia, of course, that's all carbon fiber as well. The wings, carbon fiber, interior carbon fiber, the little, whatever you call it, little boomerang-ish thing, whatever they call it, whatever. It's carbon fiber. But look at this thing. Sounds good, man. I bet it's gonna sound even better when we're driving, though.
Oh, yeah, I'm excited.
You're like, yeah, let's go for a drive. I want to be able to punch it, bro. Dude, this carbon flash in the sun, look at that. That's crazy. All right, well, you about ready?
Oh yeah.
I might need gas. I haven't driven my C7 in like...
Really? Yeah, I checked the app before. I was like, how much gas do I have? It's been a while.
I don't have the app on mine, where even on my C8, but definitely not on the C7. But I love it, man. There's a lot of vets here.
Yeah, there is.
Considering we just kind of threw it together last night, late in the evening. But love her. The one female we have today with us, check it out, man. Grand Sport, torch red. We got a white Grand Sport. Love Grand Sports. And of course, Mike, T, got Howard, Tim's new Z06, taking it out for the first time today. But check it out, I want to show you these Morimoto headlights on this one. There's Sony. It's a meeting and I wasn't involved. They're like, no, you can't come, man. But check it out, I love these headlights. These Morimoto headlights, super nice. Pre-drive meeting.
As a truck driver, I know that for a fact. Oh, yeah, that's their area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got them all lined up. Getting ready to run in here to some steakhouse. I don't know what it's called. I would give you the name, but it's here in Weatherford. We got everybody lined up, ready to run in. We'll see what everybody's gonna get. We'll do a food vlog. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching.